Motherfucker, Japanese bitch, shit, cock, mother bitch. It's like a goddamn Asian puzzle. Somebody hold me along.
You going the wrong way? I think you're going the wrong way.
Somebody hold me.
I'm out of here. Move out. Move. Thank you, Derek.
Derek!
I pissed there. Don't forget. I saw you pissed there. This is the man who pissed where we're trying to change a tire. How are we doing? This is the guy who just wants to go to the game. Like, fuck you all. This is my brother. He already hates Koreans, so this only adds the fuel to the fire. Just kidding, because I'm putting this on YouTube. I was only kidding. He doesn't hate Koreans. Huh?
What the fuck is this Japanese shit? My shit works much easier than this crap. Okay, what? Boss and I will do it. We can do it. We can do it. Crap.
You know I got it all.
Spin it with your fingers?
Alright, Windsor's Finest has stepped in, folks.
Done this once or twice. Yeah, I'll hold it down and you spin it. Yeah, you just hold it.
He doesn't do this. He sits in his freaking hot vehicle while other people...
That's correct.
No, there's a...
Break set this fucking break.
Yeah, break setting it. You got it. No, just make sure it's on the metal and we're good. Is it on the metal?
No.
Here, you record this whole thing, cause. Here you go. You can record the whole thing. No, dude, there's a. Watch this, right here. There's
The metal hoist?
There's some metal right here, right?
Yeah.
That's it, right?
It wasn't on there though. Oh, okay. Oh, hey, there you go, right there. I got it.
That's a fine, sexy ass right there. Yeah. Yeah, it's fine, sexy ass. I'm surprised this video is not as big as I thought it was. It was only like 2 megs, so I'm still going. We're like 2.5 minutes in. Talk about the comedy of errors. Derek, would you like a side interview on the comedy of errors?
What's this in sharp?
I don't know. I could change. I could change most cars in 10 minutes flat, no pun intended. Getting the jack out, finding the jack took 20 on this one. So literally, I've changed 3 tires in under 10 minutes. Yeah. Oh yeah, we have lift. We have lift. We have lift. We have lift. We have that. Here, this salute to you, Mr. Brother Changing Tire Man. This Rolling Rock's for you. Oh, great. Now he's going to puke. I got to be brutally honest with you. I'd rather not tell the wife I even did this, but this video is going to be way too funny. I could change this tire, but I'm enjoying you guys doing it. Is this where you piss, Moose? Right there. There's the piss spot for Moose. No. Why do we need an emergency brake?
Because it won't roll.
What'll roll?
I've had the shit roll on me.
You've had the shit roll, no kidding. I've had the shit clog, but not roll. Not yet. Oh, Anthony, no, stop, stop. Loosen them now. Good call, Moose. I forgot about that step.
Yeah, but you can still can. Lefty, loosey, righty, tighty. You're on the left, Anthony. No, it's lefty, loosey, righty, tighty. Officer Barry, here to save the day. Loosey. Leverage. There you go. That's a big boot. I'd love to see that boot on a Saturday. There you go. Hold on, whoa. There you go. Moose, push it. Oh.
Look at that, the strain on the forehead. Yeah!
Think of this way. There you go. Just do it, Moose. Push it.
Oh!
Moosey.
Moosey!
Let's do it for the camera. You take them off? No. Don't take them out yet. Just loosen them up and get the car off.
Did you get all 5? There's 5, you know, Anthony.
I think up and right. I think you missed. All gone. Stretch that one. Moose man. Hang on. Run. Barry's not the only one with leg pressure.
Apparently he is. He was standing on both feet on the like that. If I was able to pull back.
Loosen or did I break it?
I don't know. Who cares? It's a Yukon game. Something bad's supposed to happen to my wife's car. Hey, can I have a beer? It's just moving.
No, are we?
Yeah, the wrong way, you idiot!
Oh. Good that he knows.
Here, hold this video while I open my beer. I'm going to identify from the camera the ability to open beer. Right? No bottle opener in my hand.
Lever up and down and click down. You have backwards off the jack. Pop it on the tire.
Voila! Voila! There you go, have your beer back. You're silly.
I'm a silly guy.
Here you go. Thank you. Oh, that's good.
Good to know Anthony knows the tire.
No, you know what the funny thing is? Anthony really doesn't. I think Anthony only knows because the first time he had to do his, like 6 months ago, he called me.
I never changed my tire.
Oh, really?
Good shit to know, man. Everyone's done it here, right? I've never done one. You changed tire? You changed tire?
About 7 of them.
About time. That shit you gotta know as a man. It's like how to intern it, John.
It's off.
Right. No, it's not. You lie.
Anthony, can you tell us how to find the clitoris? Look up and smile. Give us an interview.
Spot.
The man's only been married a couple months. He should still know. What do they call that useless piece of skin around a vagina?
Right.
A woman.
High enough. Stop. Time to fall.
That's not high enough, man. If you can't spin the tire, it's not high enough.
Alright, you can't spin the tire. Keep going higher. So you bring the tires to save the trend for $100 a piece. Okay, hold these right here. Hold these. Okay, good. Oh, Fuzzy Lucy.
That seriously? Oh my god, I think they touched hands. They're holding hands. How cute. It's the romance part of this video. Fucking Jew singing Christmas songs. That was the people helping us driving by in a golf cart? Fucking bastards.
There, somebody hold these.
As good old Brian Tanassi would say, they're lazy, right?
Lazy. You can't get it off yet,
Yo, you gotta lift higher, homie.
We're doing good. Check it.
You wanna make a commentary? Are you? This is going on YouTube? Yeah.
You want the other pictures to go on YouTube too?
Well, well, it's up to you. Do you want
Yellow shot pictures? I don't. There's
Oh,
no
we can put
pictures.
those. We can put those on there.
Am I going the right way?
No, now you're going the wrong way. Yeah, pop it off. Pull it off.
Hey, oh. Gentle.
If you can't spin it, you're not pulling it off. You're going the wrong way there, buddy. And keep in mind, as high as you get, you need to go higher because of the new tire. Alright, this is a paid advertisement from Miller Lite on the top of my car. We're going to sit here for 15 seconds. Miller Lite, paid advertisement, thank you. Alright, pull it off. We're back from commercial break, where Anthony's now going to pull the tire off the car.
Get your brake on? What the fuck?
No.
This thing's so good.
Yeah, the iPod's so good.
If you can spin the tire, you can pull that off.
Come right off.
Yeah, pull it off.
Boss has done this 100 times.
Bots, pull it off.
No, AC's got alert.